Hi, today we'll discuss the reasons why data centers are going hyperscale. To start, we should understand what hyperscale stands for. Public cloud infrastructure, data center companies creating enormous complexes covering hundreds of acres of land and housing hundreds and thousands of computing resources have redefined the meaning of scale. Hyperscale data centers have been able to provide unmatched scalability to globally consumed applications, often with hundreds and millions of users. There are 400 hyperscale data centers across the world, and US accounting for almost half of these. India is seeing a lot of demand but account for less than 3% of the hyperscale data centers. So what is driving the rapid growth of hyperscale data centers? Here are some of the major reasons. First is cloud and big data. The evolution of cloud computing and big data have played a significant role for growth of hyperscale data centers. By 2021, data center would store 1.3 zettabytes of data. Big data would consume 30% of the data center storage, and cloud traffic will take around 95% of all the data center operations worldwide. Second is IoT and consumer devices. The IoT and consumer things has led to a large amounts of unstructured data being generated every day. Nearly 125,000 petabyte of consumer IP traffic is generated every month, and this is expected to double by 2021. Third is the containerization. The concept of containers that make cloud workloads independent of platforms and VMs is relatively new. Containers and cloud enable applications to save massively, requiring huge amounts of compute and storage. Fourth is, of course, the energy efficiency. Hyperscale allows data centers and cloud infrastructures to be designed for maximum power, efficiency. Many giants are building data centers around renewable sources of energy. Finally, it is the cost benefit which is actually driving it to hyperscalers. So organizations that effectively leverage hyperscale infrastructure for extremely high density and high volume business processes see major benefits in terms of capital cost saving, support cost reductions, power and space cost benefits, and minimization of the administrative costs. Thank you.